Tuna Festival na naman mga katinig. Panahon para ipagdiwang ang Piyestang Karagatan, Piyestang Gawihan sa magandang Jensan, ang tuna capital of the Philippines.
Wow, Jensan!
At muling nagbabalik ang Voice of the Youth Jensan Vlog kasama ang inyong katinig, Harlem Jude Ferrolino. Para sa edisyong ito, mapapanood nyo ang patimpalak na nilahukan ng mga kabataang general na magagaling sa larangan ng pagkanta, ang Grand Finals ng Jensan Pop Idol Year 10. September 8, 2014, in celebration of the 16th Tuna Festival, idinaos ang kompetisyong inorganisa ng Youth Affairs and Development Office sa pamumuno ni Sir Elmer Saquinia. Inumpisahan ang programa sa pagkanta ng dalawang dating Grand Finalist ng Jensan Pop Idol.
Sa dibdib mo'y buhay.
Parang kailan lang po, but it's already 10 years, it's a decade of searching for young performers, for young generals who excel, not just as a singer, but as a performer.
Ilang sandali lang pinasiklab na ng 7 Grand Finalists ang entablado sa kanilang production number. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang Grand Finals kung wala ang ating mga magagaling na mga hurado.
Sa Jensan, kung saan lahat ng taong champion, maglinaw-linaw sa Tuna City, ang syudad na umaarkada.
Halata namang excited ang lahat nang sinimulan na ang kompetisyon.
Congratulations! Inyo pong na-witness a while ago, hindi pa lahat, but we're so amazed that Jensan really is the home of the champions. Agree?
Someday, but you have got to live in a nation where my food is here, but and my favorite mix. any day. Yes, you do. You can get to know better days unless you make it happen. But I need you a little less. Hold me tight, have it cool. I just need the darkness. Miss a massive dance, but now I can say
You see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve.
to wrap your arms around me for it and scare me. Slip out that side, clouds filled with stars cover your skies. Now we've been raised, you're the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream is this? A sweet dream or beautiful nightmare? Don't you ever say I just walk away. I go away from you like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just close my eyes and swear you left me standing in this lesson ball. All you ever did was you wrecked me.
Natin at already produce a lot of talents, no, for 10 years. Napakarami na po, hindi lang ho yung mga nag-excel sa ABS-CBN or sa GMA or sa anumang sa Luzon.
Ang papasok sa top 3 will move on to the grand showdown. Move forward and congratulations! Nikki Lou Dumalaga! Move forward and congratulations! Jesselie Balasamas! You are in the grand showdown! Congratulations! You are moving to the grand showdown. Aaron! Roy! Umasan! Congratulations!
Mula sa 7 kalahok, inabangan din ng lahat ang ating top 3 finalists para sa kanilang Grand Showdown.
Tattoo your name across my heart. Somebody please, your love is true. Not just a question, I ain't going nowhere. Baby, long as you're here, I'll be floating on air, 'cause you're my heart.
Nang matapos ang Final 3, kitang-kita ang kaba sa mga manonood at ng ating mga contestants.
Our second runner-up is Nikki Lou Pumalagan. First runner-up is ang dilim. Aaron Lloyd Pumasas. And our Jensen Pop Idol 2014 is Jesseline Panasamas. Of course, our grand winner will be awarded.
Napatunayan ang galing ng kabataang general sa pinakita patimpalak sa Jensen Pop Idol 2014. Ako po muli ang inyong katinig, Arlen June Carolino para sa Roti Jensen Vlog. Happy Tuna Festival, Jensen!
Naranasan mo na ba ang tunay na saya? Dali na mo diri, kaibigan, tara na! Sa Jensen, kung saan lahat ng tao'y champion. Maglingaw-lingaw sa Tuna City, ang syudad na umaarangkada. Sa pagpulan, Go Jensen! Jensen Tuna Festival, taas noo mga general. Jensen Tuna Festival, ating ikinararangan. Saan mang dako sa mundo, tiyak angat ang bayan mo. Go Jensen!
Voice of the youth.